Where I've decided to start is my lumber storage. So I've had a lot of my lumber storage above my miter saw here, and what I've found is that it's really hard to reach. It's hard to put a ladder in front of here and still reach up and grab what I need to grab. So I decided to move it back over here, and I'm gonna extend this top one. I just added these two pieces so that I can put some 8-foot or longer storage along this section and this section here. So that's where I'm gonna start. I'm gonna leave this storage space here. I really like that. And eventually I'm gonna clean out under here so that my jointer can fit back up against the wall. So I'm gonna start moving and going through all of these now. Guys, I'm a lumber hoarder. It's terrible. I keep everything. This is full of lumber. There's lumber full underneath this table here. There's all of this. There's all of this.
So I start by just removing everything off of that wall and locating my studs. Once that's done, I use some of the scraps I already had of 2x4s and cut 2 pieces at 18 inches and 4 pieces at 14 inches deep. Then I use my Kreg jig on either side of each 14-inch piece, and I glue and screw that to the 18-inch pieces. Then I'm going to take those up to my wall and locate my studs, and then I use these self-driving screws by Power Pro to connect these to the stud. I use a level across the top 2 Kreg jigged pieces to make sure that these are straight and level for my lumber while I finish securing them to the studs. Once these were secured to the wall, I went ahead and Kreg jigged the other 2 pieces so that I would have 2 shelves. Now I wanted this second shelf to line up perfectly with the lumber rack that's on the right there. So I used my level from the old lumber rack over to the new lumber rack to make sure I had everything lined up just perfectly. Then I Kregged those in and let it dry. And that's it, you guys. And this has been so strong. It's held tons of lumber. I've had 0 problems with it. And it's a quick and easy way to take care of your lumber storage. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as promised, my comment winner from last week's video is Holly from Living It Country. Thanks so much for commenting, girl, and send me or DM me your info. I want to send you a prize.